Let's talk about hierarchy. So we can create hierarchy using any dimension. Basically, hierarchy used to drill down to more details, and you can change the level of details in the single view. So how to create the hierarchy? Let's create a product hierarchy. In order to create hierarchy, you just need to drag your one dimension into other. Okay. Yes, yeah. So hierarchy has been created, and you can name it something. I am naming is as product product. Okay. Now I am putting product name as well inside the hierarchy. Okay, so we have product hierarchy. Okay, you can see. And one more thing, you can create hierarchy using group as well. Let's create a group. Okay, create group. Take anything. Okay, let's create a group. Okay, now you have product group. You can put this group inside this hierarchy. I don't need it right now, but you can do it. I'm deleting it. So we have a hierarchy. Now I put this hierarchy inside the view. Okay, now I'll take the profit. Okay, so it is showing profit. I will put the profit in the label itself. Okay, now you can see, you can drill down clicking this. Now we have a category. Now after clicking one more time, you have product wise. Okay, and you can roll up to the high level. After clicking this plus sign or negative sign, you can clear this drill down. Now I want to show the negative profit and positive profit in different color. For that, I'll create a calculated field. Create profitable saying if the profit is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now even I can use this to filter out my positive profit data. Okay, this is filtered, but now I want to color, or I want to only give the color to positive and negative. So you can see I am giving red color to negative profit and green color to positive profit. But you can see this, the false and true is not making sense, so I will change the alias. Okay, edit alias. I will say is negative profit and other is positive profit. Okay, so we have a beautiful graph saying what subcategories has negative profit and what subcategories has positive profit. Actually, this is not showing the right result as we wanted to show. Actually, we have made a mistake. Edit. Actually, we are taking on this on a granular level. We want to take on the aggregate level, that we want to sum up on the profit level or category level or product level. So that's why it's not coming fine. Now it will show the proper result. Remove it. Let me add this again. Okay. Let me add the color. This for red and this is green. Now it is showing fine that it's showing this is negative profit for this category furniture, and subcategory bookcase we have a negative profit. So you can see. Okay, you can do one more thing, like we want to see only unprofitable subcategory, so you can put in the filter, use all, then show filter. Now you can filter out only the unprofitable category or subcategory. So now you have, even though you can drill down to product to see which product are unprofitable. Okay,